In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create an awesome repeat image hover effect in WordPress using a simple add-on powered by the GSAP JavaScript library. As you can see in the video, you can easily add these rotating image effects to your website. When you hover over the image, it smoothly spins in a repeating loop. To get started, download the plugin Repeat Image Hover Effect. You'll find the link in the video description below. Go to your WordPress dashboard plugins. Add New, upload the zippy file, then click Activate to enable the plugin. Once activated, a new menu will appear called Hover Effects Images. Here you can add your images and generate shortcodes. Each image you add will have a unique shortcode you can use inside Elementor or any page builder, and the shortcode will appear after saving the settings. Now open any page with Elementor, drag in a shortcode widget, and paste the shortcode inside it. In this example, I'm going to add 3 rotating images to the home page. This effect works best with full-width header images, as it's designed specifically for that purpose. But you can also use it in smaller sections if needed. Once you've added the shortcodes, go ahead and save your changes. Now let's preview the page. As you can see, the shortcodes we inserted are now rendering on the home page, and each image displays a smooth, repeating rotation effect on hover. It's fully functional and visually engaging. You can upload unlimited images and use the shortcode on any page across your website. This effect is currently trending, and many modern websites are using it to add a dynamic, eye-catching touch. That's a wrap for today's video. If you found it helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to WP Design Lab, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions about styling or run into any issues, just drop a comment below. I'll be adding more features to this add-on in the future, so stay tuned.